And now we're going to review several general stretches to address loosening of the shoulders, back, and neck that you can do on your own at home. The first stretch is going to be called the cat-cow. And while we're in all four position, we're going to ask her to inhale, and while she's breathing in, to look up and drop the stomach down, holding that for several seconds, followed by exhaling, arching the back up, and now looking down, and again holding for several seconds to try to achieve full stretch of the back and shoulders. And the next stretch is going to be a torso twist. Again, while laying on her back, we're going to ask her to raise her right leg and rotate to the left while keeping the shoulders relatively flat on the floor. I want to have her do this motion to tolerance, and if possible, you can rotate your head slightly to the opposite direction while holding this position. After 10 to 15 seconds, you then can repeat it to the opposite side. Again, keeping the shoulders flat on the ground. And in this case, you'll be rotating the head to the left side slightly. And again, holding 10 to 15 seconds and to tolerance. And now with the next stretch, I'm going to ask her to grab the right leg around the knee and pull it towards the chest in a hugging type position to the chest, and holding for approximately 10 seconds. If this produces any discomfort in the lower back, you can then raise the left leg up, put the foot flat on the floor to alleviate some of the tension. Now you can repeat on the opposite leg, pulling the left leg up to the chest in a hugging type position, again for approximately 10 seconds. If any tension is felt in the lower back, you can then raise the right leg and put the foot flat on the floor. And you can repeat several times from right to left. The next stretch is going to be for the lower back and hamstrings. And we're going to ask her to slowly flex forward at the waist, dropping down to a comfortable position, and holding. If there is any discomfort when performing this maneuver, you can bend the knees slightly. Again, holding for approximately 10 seconds, and slowly then returning to the upright neutral position. We'll repeat this stretch several times. Next stretch is going to be another torso stretch, and we're going to ask her to reach both hands above her head, holding briefly, followed by reaching her right hand to her left knee, reaching her left hand behind her, slightly twisting and holding, again to tolerance, to about a count of 10, and then repeating to the other side, reaching above the head, now putting the left hand on the right knee, right hand behind the back, and again twisting to tolerance to the right and holding for a count of 10. You can repeat that several times from right to left.